Hello children, I hope you all are fine at your home. So my dear children, today I have come with a very important question from the board exam. So you are having many questions, right, from your exercise, from your textbook, but there are some questions which is repeated in the board exam, and there are chances for that question that it may come in your board exam. So I have taken one question, that question is, let triangle ABC similar to DEF and their areas be respectively 64 centimeter square and 121 centimeter square. If EF is equal to 15.4 centimeter, then find BC. This question is very important but very easy also. But you need to solve carefully, because sometimes what happens, if you are not perfect in your calculation, you may do mistake and you will lose your marks. So these kind of questions are very easy, but sometimes you create problem in your calculation and you lose your marks. So we'll read the question and we'll try to understand the theorem also related to this question. If you can see this, I have written here ratio of areas is equal to square of ratio of corresponding sides. Means ratio of area of the triangles. Ratio of areas of the triangle is equal to square of ratio of corresponding sides. So whenever you are reading question in your exam, immediately start drawing the figure. Immediately start drawing the figure. It will happen mainly in the geometry questions. So this question is related to geometry. So as I am reading, see I am reading here, let triangle ABC and DEF. Means triangle ABC is similar to DEF. I come to know means there are two triangles. So immediately what I will do? I will start drawing the figure. So I will draw first triangle A, B, C, and second triangle is what? Triangle DEF. So one more triangle we will draw, DEF. And this type of figure is called rough figure. So whenever you are writing answer, this kind of figure is called rough figure, but you must draw in your exam. So triangle ABC and DEF, we are having two triangles. So there are some conditions for this triangle. First condition is what? They are similar. They are similar. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Now they are saying that the area of this triangle is equal to the area of triangle of ABC is equal to 64 centimeter square. Now this point is also very important. While reading, you must know that why they are writing in centimeter square, because the area is written in the form of square. We can write sometimes 64 centimeter, but because this number is related to the area of the triangle, so you have to write down 64 centimeter square, 121 centimeter square. So as we are getting the values, you write down the values also in your exam. That part is called given. That part is called what? Given. So you will write that given part. You will start your answer like this. First you will write the given. What is given in the question? Number one, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So given part you must write, always remember. The second part, what is the given? The area of the triangle. You will write that area of triangle ABC is equal to 64 centimeter square. Second part, area of triangle DEF is equal to what? 121 centimeter square. Right? Just do it. Okay. So area of triangle DEF is equal to 120 centimeter square. So we have written the given part of this question. Now what is the next part here? To write down this part. Means this part will come next after the given. The ratio of the areas is equal to square of ratio of corresponding sides. So as per this statement, we will write the answer. The first answer will come on ratio of the areas. What is that ratio of areas? The area of triangle ABC and area of triangle DEF. So we'll write area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF is equal to, what is that? Square of ratio of corresponding sides. There are three sides. How many sides are there? Three sides are there. So we have to take the square of ratio of the corresponding sides. If you are confused in your exam, you can remember this square of ratio means whatever you are writing the ratio, that will be in the form of square. And first one is AB upon D. Okay, right? AB upon DE, right? AB upon D square is equal to BC upon EF square is equal to, okay? So BC upon EF. Now AC upon DF. AC upon DF square, right? Now we got this thing as per our statement. Now we have to see that these three parts, these three sides are equal to each other. So we have to choose any one. We have to choose any one. So which one? We have to decide the sides from which we'll get our answer. You know that they have asked that if EF is equal to 15.4, if EF is equal to 15.4, that's here 15.4, then find out the BC. Find out the BC. It means your answer is related to BC and EF. BC and EF. Where is the BC and EF? This part is BC and EF. So we'll take only this part. So we can write that area of triangle ABC is how much? Area of triangle ABC is equal to how much? 64. 64. And area of triangle DEF is equal to 121, which is equal to BC upon EF. You know better why I am writing BC upon EF. Why not AB upon D and AC upon DF? Because we don't want this. We can take anyone. So in your exam, they can exchange also, right? They can give another question. They can give that 15.4 is here, then find out this part. So the side ratio will be different. They can give that 15.4 is here to find out this part. So it can be any question. So you must know that which side you will select. Which side you will select? From the side you will get the answer. Our answer will come from this part. So we are writing this part, right? And you have to keep in your mind that all these three sides, ratio of the sides are equal to each other. Now, BC upon EF. Do we have the value of BC? No, we have to find out the BC. Do we have the value of EF? Yes. How much is EF? EF is equal to 15.4. EF is equal to 15.4. So we can write here that 64 upon 121. So you can, if you see this number 64 upon 121, we can write 64 as 8 and 121 as 11 square is equal to, right? Second part is BC upon 15.4 square. Now you can see both the sides we are having square, right? So our calculation will become very easy if you write in this form. We are having LHS and RHS both the square, so it will get cancelled. It will get cancelled. Directly you can cancel like this. Okay. So it will become 8 upon 11, which is equal to BC upon 15.4. Right. Now we can write that BC. So here BC is equal to, you can see here clearly, BC is equal to 8 upon 11 multiplied by 15.4. Now you have to solve this 8 upon 11, you will get the value. After that you multiply the same number by 15.4 and you will get the answer that BC is equal to 11.2 centimeter. So it is very important that your answer should come in centimeter and the answer of area is in centimeter square. That differentiation must know. Now we'll take a quick revision of this question. So As if you see this question, I have told you whenever you are reading the question, immediately you will start drawing the figure also. Triangle ABC similar to DF. Immediately draw the figure. Write down the given part. Write down the given part. Whatever is given, right? Now after that, with the help of this statement, and why we have taken this statement, you know better, right? You have to by heart that the ratio of area is equal to square of the ratio of corresponding sides. So as per this statement, you have to write down this part. After that, you have to select any one out of these three because all these three are equal to each other. From where we get the answer? Who is giving my answer? The BC upon EF, because we need to find out the BC. So that's why I'm taking BC upon EF. Now the question may come in your mind, why we are writing the 64 in the form of this? So you can just assume in your mind that because our this RHS part, right? We have LHS and RHS. This part is having BC upon EF, right? If we do not write that 64 in the form of 8 square and 121 as 11 square, it will be very difficult to find out the answer. So this kind of steps you must keep in your mind always. So 8 upon 11 is whole square. Again BC upon 15.4 whole square. The square will get cancelled. You are having 8 upon 11 BC upon 15.4. You do the cross multiply. Very simple it is. That. So BC is equal to 8 upon 11 15.4. You saw 8 upon 11 multiplied by 15.4. You will get the answer BC is equal to 11.2. So here answer will come 11.2. So always whenever you are getting your answer, final answer always write down like this. So this is your answer. I hope you all have understood. Still, if you are having any doubt, you can send me your question in my personal WhatsApp. Thank you very much.